Sometimes a move can't wait. Unexpected situations like lease changes, urgent relocations, or last-minute decisions require fast action. Last-minute moving in Chicago requires speed, coordination, and experience, especially in a busy city environment. In this video, we explain how same-day movers in Chicago work and how to handle an urgent move without stress. Same-day and next-day moving services are designed for quick response. Movers assess the size of your move, the building access, and timing, then organize trucks and crews immediately. Professional last-minute movers in Chicago focus on efficiency without compromising safety, ensuring your move is completed quickly and correctly. Emergency moving services in Chicago include more than just transportation. Movers provide packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, secure loading, and protection for fragile items. Even under tight deadlines, trained teams use proper materials and techniques to protect your belongings. Chicago presents unique challenges: heavy traffic, high-rise buildings, strict parking regulations, and busy neighborhoods like downtown, Lincoln Park, and Lakeview. Local experience allows movers to navigate these challenges efficiently and avoid delays during urgent relocations. When time is limited, choosing licensed and insured movers is essential. Better Life Moving provides fast response, transparent pricing, and experienced crews ready to handle urgent relocations in Chicago. With the right team, even last-minute moves can be smooth, organized, and stress-free.